Good morning, everyone. Let's go for a walk around here. It's a nice view. It's really nice view. In a seaside. See the sunshine? Sunshine. You are the sunshine in my life. See people walking around here in the morning. Actually, I had planned to go out around 5 to 6, but I woke up late. Let's take a look over here. I want to do some jogging, but it's better to just walk now. It's getting hot already. It's very nice. So nice. At that side. Dami pang ito. Uy! May naglalangoy. Ayun ko lang. See guys, somebody swimming around there. See? Kung nakikita niyo. May nagsuswimming. May nagsuswimming doon. Nag-i-enjoy sila sa kanilang morning swim. Medyo it's look foggy. Kaya not clear yung paligid niya. May fog siya. Pero ang init ng ang init ng pakiramdam. Malingahit. Wow. Oh, nag-floating pa si Tatang. Yaw soy. Kaya. I don't know. I don't know how to swim. Si Tatay nagtanong kung aba, marami nga silang nagsuswimming. Say ko. Hindi naman ako makakaintindi sa kanya. Kinakausap niya. May bangka pa doon. Tinagin. See, may bangka. Siyempre tayo. Straight tayo doon. Straight. Huwag mo akong kausapit. Hindi kita naiintindihan. Ang galing talaga ng hindi ko akalain na pwede palang pag-swimmingan to. Pero malinis naman. Diba? Parang sarap lang maglalangoy eh. Before I told to grandmother we go here for a walk, and then I told her, oh, maybe I can try to swim here, and then she laughed at me, and then she said, cheesy na, it's dirty ma. And then now I saw so many people having a swim, so it means you can swim. Maybe she just think that it's dirty because this is not usually a beach for swimming. Then I will tell again to Lola later. You told me it's dirty, I cannot swim there, but I saw a lot of people This is just the back side of our home. This is the place I want to go for a running in the early in the morning, but I always just have a plan, but I cannot make it like 5:30 in the AM. And I want to spend time until the sunrise here. It's really nice. Tomorrow morning, I will really make it sure I'm here before the sunrise. Wow! And this one is really deep already. That's why I think I cannot do swim also here because I don't know really how to swim. It's quite deep already. This is Hong Kong. And over there, you see, they're doing some exercise. Let's go more farther. There's a lot of people running here. Da 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 da. Diba? Ganda ng paligid. Lugo pa doon. You are the sunshine in my life. Everything will be alright. Opo, talagang kinakareer nila ang pagsuswim, oh. From there to there. Gusto ko may gulay. May kalunod ako pag ako lumangoy dyan. Oh my God. Pero usually, matatanda ang naglalangoy. Matatanda. Galing naman. Maulap ang paligid, kaya hindi talaga siya clear. Kung clear siya, ang ganda kasi yung kabilang side ng isla, makikita nyo. The other side of the island, you can see it, but now you cannot see because it's not clear. It's foggy. Foggy weather. But it's really hot. Nakita ko na naman si tata nagta-thumbs up siya. Kasi nakita niya ako nag-video. Mainit yung araw ha, yung nakakasulo yung araw kahit hindi pa naman talaga siya kasi mainit na mainit. Pero masusulo ka. Bayantang. Gusto kong mag-walk around kaya nagsalamin tayo. Yan, para kasi yung araw ano ba yung araw? Yan. Wala kasi oh! Galing naman. Gusto ko talaga yung ganyan. Pero nagbabackstroke pa siya. So, swimming. Nagbabackstroke. Mula doon sa kabila. Tapos dito sa side na to. Galing. Sige, tayong lumakad. Sabayan natin sila. Shalalala. Shalala in the morning. I want to have a good walk in the morning. Later in the afternoon, I need to go to see my doctor. I have appointment today for my follow-up check-up. I hope it's all getting better now than my last appointment before 6 months ago. You need to be fit and healthy, so that's the good thing they do in the morning. They go here for a walk. In the morning, a lot of people walking here, have a jogging, and then some of them having a swim. Get a swim. It's really a nice place. Galit naman. Ito. Quezon. Tayo. Ang dami pang bird. Minsan, sabi ko, agila yata yan. Agila yata yung mga yan kasi may kalakihan. Ako yung kasama ko nung minsan pumunta kami dito. Yan, agila ka dyan. Hindi ko ano yan, mga kwago. Patawa si ate. Yan na naman si tatay. Kita na naman niya ako. Natutuwa sa video ako ng video. May nangingisda din kaya. Kala nyo ha. All around ang place na ito. Tama si tatang ha. Nagpe-prepare siya para sa pangingisda.
Oh.
Ayokong tumakbo. Hindi ako nakapang running shoes. Ang galing talaga nila maglangoy. Ang lalim na niyan eh. Utas ang layo ng nararating ni tatang. Ang layo na nararating na ng paglalangoy niya. Tapos sa side na yun may playground. Tapos doon yung mga matatanda nag-exercise kasi meron doon yung mga facilities para sa mga olds na may something needs. Doon sila gagawa ng exercise nila. Mainit na din, masikat na din yung araw. 7:50. Kaling. Pinawisan rin ako sa paglalakad ko lang. Bukas tayo tatakbo guys. Sige, that's it for now. Kagakawag kaya siya. Kakawag si tatang. Kita niyo ba? Kita niyo pa ba yung mga tao? Lumalamay. Okay guys, bye for now. See you next time. Keep watching guys. Subscribe and share.